In today's video, we'll explore 8 of the most essential tips and practices for secure online shopping. In the digital age, protecting your personal and financial information is paramount. Let's dive in. Why secure online shopping matters. Online shopping is convenient, but it comes with risks. Your sensitive information, such as credit card details, can be targeted by cybercriminals. Here's why secure online shopping is crucial. Identity theft prevention, financial security, and peace of mind. Tips for secure online shopping. Tip 1. Strong passwords. When creating passwords for your online shopping accounts, it's essential to make them strong and unique. Here's how. Length. Aim for at least 12 characters. Longer passwords are generally more secure. Complexity. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid common words. Don't use easily guessable words or phrases, such as password 123 or admin. Uniqueness. Use different passwords for different accounts. Avoid reusing passwords across multiple websites. Password managers. Consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords securely. Tip 2. Secure websites. Before making a purchase on a website, ensure it's secure. HTTPS. Look for HTTPS in the website URL. The letter S stands for secure and indicates that your data is encrypted during transmission. Padlock icon. Check for a padlock icon in the address bar, typically to the left of the URL. Click on it to view the site's security certificate. Check the URL. Be cautious of misspelled URLs or domains that seem unusual. Scammers often create fake websites to mimic legitimate ones. User authentication. Implement secure authentication mechanisms such as multi-factor authentication or two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Protect against brute force attacks by implementing account lockout policies. Regular software updates. Keep all website software, including content management systems, plugins, and themes, up to date with the latest security patches. Set up automatic updates when possible to ensure timely patching. Secure file uploads. If your website allows file uploads, thoroughly validate and sanitize user-generated content to prevent malicious file uploads. Store uploaded files in a separate directory with restricted access. Tip 3. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Using public Wi-Fi networks for online shopping can be risky because these networks are often less secure. Here's what to do. Use mobile data. If possible, switch to your mobile data connection when making online purchases outside your home. Use a VPN. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network to encrypt your internet traffic and enhance security. Tip 4. Keep software updated. Regularly update your devices and software, including your operating system, web browser, and antivirus software. Security patches. Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Keeping your software up to date helps protect against known threats. Automatic updates. Enable automatic updates whenever possible to ensure you're always running the latest, most secure versions. Security patches. Software updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities. By not updating, you leave your system open to exploitation by cybercriminals who actively seek out and exploit these weaknesses. Protection against malware. Malware, including viruses, ransomware, and spyware, often targets vulnerabilities in outdated software. Regular updates help defend against these malicious programs. Improved security features. Updates may introduce new security features and enhancements that better protect your system from evolving threats. Data protection. Outdated software can lead to data breaches. Keeping your software current helps safeguard sensitive information from being compromised. Tip 5. Use credit cards. Use credit cards for online shopping instead of debit cards. Credit cards offer better fraud protection, and it's easier to dispute unauthorized charges. While credit cards offer many benefits, it's essential to use them responsibly to avoid debt and financial troubles. Set a budget. Establish a monthly budget for your credit card spending. Stick to this budget to prevent overspending. Pay your balance in full. Whenever possible, pay your credit card balance in full each month to avoid accruing interest charges. Paying only the minimum amount can lead to high interest costs. Monitor your statements. Regularly review your credit card statements for accuracy. Report any unauthorized or suspicious transactions promptly. Use alerts. Set up transaction alerts with your credit card issuer to receive notifications of large or unusual transactions. This can help you detect and respond to potential fraud quickly. Avoid cash advances. Cash advances on credit cards often come with high fees and interest rates. Use your card primarily for purchases rather than cash withdrawals. Keep your card secure. Protect your credit card information and physical card. Don't share your card details with others, and keep your card in a secure place. Understand terms and fees. Familiarize yourself with the terms and fees associated with your credit card, including interest rates, annual fees, and any penalties for late payments. Tip 6. Review statements. Regularly review your credit card and bank statements. Check for any unauthorized transactions and report them immediately. How to review statements effectively. Check statements regularly. Set aside time each month to review your credit card and bank statements. Many financial institutions offer online access to statements, making it convenient to review them electronically. Examine every transaction. Carefully go through each transaction listed on your statement. Look for any unfamiliar or unauthorized charges, even small ones, as sometimes thieves test an account with a small transaction before attempting larger one. Compare receipts. If you keep receipts from your purchases, compare them to the transactions on your statement to ensure they match. This helps you verify that you were charged correctly. Report discrepancies. If you discover any discrepancies or unauthorized transactions, report them immediately to your bank or credit card issuer. They can guide you on the steps to dispute and resolve the issues. Keep statements secure. Protect your paper statements and electronic account access with strong passwords and security measures. Avoid sharing login information or leaving printed statements where others can access them. Set up transaction alerts. Many banks and credit card companies offer transaction alerts that can notify you via email or text message whenever a transaction exceeds a certain threshold or when there's unusual activity on your account. Consider setting up these alerts for added security. Tip 7. Secure payment method. Consider using secure payment methods like PayPal or Apple Pay. They add an extra layer of security by not sharing your financial information with the seller. By using secure payment methods, you minimize the risk of your payment details being compromised in the event of a data breach at the online retailer's end. Even if the store systems are breached, your sensitive financial information remains safe. If you encounter issues with your purchase, such as receiving a damaged item or never receiving the product, secure payment methods often make it easier to dispute the charge and request a refund. They act as intermediaries between you and the seller, helping to resolve disputes swiftly. Tip 8. Two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a one-time code sent to your phone or email to complete the login. How to enable 2FA. To enable 2FA for an account, visit the account settings or security section of the website or app associated with that account. Follow the provided instructions to set up 2FA, which typically involves linking your account to a 2FA app or receiving codes via SMS or email. Once enabled, you'll need to provide the second factor whenever you log in from an unrecognized device or location. Two-factor authentication is a critical security measure that provides an extra layer of protection for your online accounts. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your digital security and protect your sensitive information from unauthorized access. Secure online shopping is all about protecting your personal and financial information. By following these tips and best practices, you can enjoy the convenience of online shopping while keeping your data safe. If you like this video, click the next one shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll like it.